Hello, my name is Jamie Jasmine Munoz. I am 17 years old. My nationality is Colombia. I am from Palestine. I live with my parents and siblings. I study the program in pharmacy. Um, I like to study. I like to be responsive and to help my family. I do not like to watch television or live with people in do not know. On my last trip is was with my family. We were in a ranch located in the district of Brussels. We went to eat and enjoy some games that are there. The day was shady. We were we were there on a special diet or on day off. My future plans. In 4 years, I will finish the academic program that I am currently studying and continuing studying health administration. Thanks.